In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Monzo payment links, invoice links, and scheduled payments. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what each option does so you can stop unwanted links or future payments with confidence. Start by opening the Monzo app and heading to the Payments tab. This is your central hub for anything you send or request. If you've created a payment link, perhaps you shared it so someone could pay you, find and select the specific link you want to cancel. A payment link is essentially a unique URL that lets someone send you money directly, so it's important to make it unusable if you no longer want to receive payments through it. Once you've selected the link, you'll see options to reset or deactivate. Choose one of these to make the link unusable. Reset is useful if you still want to accept payments but don't want the old URL to work anymore. It effectively replaces the original link with a fresh one. Deactivate fully disables the link so it can't be used. After you do this, anyone who tries the old link won't be able to pay you, so consider letting people know you've updated or closed it if you previously shared it. If you're using Monzo Business and you've sent invoice links, manage those from the Get Paid tab. Open that tab, locate the relevant invoice or payment request, and manage the link from there. This keeps your business requests organized and ensures the right invoice link is controlled in one place. If you deactivate or reset an invoice link, your customer won't be able to pay using the old link, so make sure to resend a new one if you still expect payment. For scheduled transfers or direct debits, go back to the Payments tab and choose Scheduled. This section lists anything set to happen in the future, regular bank transfers you set up yourself, and direct debits set up with companies. Select the specific scheduled payment you want to stop, then tap Cancel. This will prevent the payment from going out next time. Keep in mind that cancelling a direct debit stops future collections, but it won't reverse a payment that's already been taken. If a collection is due very soon, check the timing to make sure it's cancelled in time and consider notifying the company you pay so they're aware. That's it. By using payments for personal links and scheduled items and the Get Paid tab for business invoices, you'll keep your money flowing only when and how you want it to.